Oh, you've been having trouble with the foundations tests? I'm sorry to hear that. Have you been using your student notebook? Yeah, use the notebook. Yeah, I heard a lot of kids are having trouble remembering all the vowel sounds that make a sound, but they're all in there. Yeah, I swear they're in there. Open it up right now and turn it. Yep, there's a page with all the vowels, and then there's another one with all the vowel teams. Keep flipping through. Yep, and then there's another one that just puts out all the spelling options. Oh, I'm being recorded. I'm on video. I gotta go. Hi, guys. Sorry. I was just talking to someone who didn't remember that this page was in there that shows all these spelling options for vowel sounds. Remember, this student notebook is like your BFF for life, or at least for this year. Okay, so how are you doing? It's so good to see you. Let's go ahead and start our warm up. We've had so many new sounds over the past few days. Let's really make sure that we remember them. Repeat after me. E-A, eat, E. E-I, vein A. E-I-G-H, 8A. E-A, steak A. E-A, bread E. I-E, piece E. E-I, ceiling E. Nice job. And let's go ahead and do some of the same sounds on the smaller cards without the pictures to make sure we can still visualize them. A-I, bait A. E-I-G-H, 8A. E-I, vein A. E-I, ceiling E. And we know this has the three. Eat bread and steak. E-A, eat E. E-A, bread E-A, steak A. Okay, very nice job. So let's take a look. Yesterday, our word of the day was pleasant. And we had a double vowel syllable type and a closed syllable type with a schwa sound. Today, we have another word of the day. Check it out. Here's my first syllable. Let me scoop my syllables. What kind of syllable is this? Yep, it's an open syllable, so we know it's a long E. What does it say? B. And let's do the second syllable. And if you're having trouble pronouncing that, well, use the syllable type to help you. Let's go ahead and circle it. We have I-E, like ceiling, E. So this is a double vowel, and we know that says E. So what is the word? Belief. A belief is something that you believe in. Different cultures and different religions and different people have all different types of beliefs. What's one belief that you have? A belief that I have is that if you work hard, good things will happen. I think that even if things are hard in foundations or on the soccer field, you have to just keep trying your best. That's one of my biggest beliefs. Let's come up with a sentence for belief. And it's tricky because I started to say beliefs. Um, a belief, how can we come up with a sentence using it singular, just one? Do you have an idea? Maybe like a belief in hard work will pay off. I'm gonna start with an uppercase. A belief in hard work will pay, there's that AY, off. And my period at the end. A belief in hard work will pay off. And another type of meaning for belief, you might hear someone say something like, their outfits were beyond belief, meaning like it's incredible if something is beyond belief, like can't even believe it, beyond belief. And another time, sometimes you might hear people say, to the best of my belief, That means like as far as I know, to my genuine opinion. To the best of my belief, you are on Unit 10, Week 2, Day 4 today, to the best of my knowledge. Okay, so since this is a word of the day, you need to enter the word and the markings and the sentence into the vocabulary part of your notebook. So go ahead and open vocabulary and find the letter B. You guys know it looks like this. You're going to write belief and mark it and then the sentence. So go ahead and use the screen right here to help you. All right, there's that word belief. Pause until you finished writing this down, everyone. Okay, and let's practice quickly reading some of the words of the day we've now had lately. Belief, pleasant, neighbor, vain. Nice job. Okay, my friends, it is time for a dictation, and we are going to do it on paper today. So I would like you to please go ahead and get the dictation paper and a pen or a pencil, whatever you prefer. If you don't have any of the paper left from your teacher, kindly let him or her know, but for now, you can use any paper or your whiteboard if you need to. Okay, are you ready? Let's start with sounds. Now remember, the space for the sounds is pretty small. You're going to have to go under or over to get all of them in because we now have so many sounds. Okay, repeat after me. A. Write all the sounds for long A. And remember, there's 9. I'm sorry, not 9, there's 7. 7 for long A. Do you have them all? Okay, if you don't, pause the video and look in your notebook. They're there. Copy them. Okay, you're ready to go over them? You should have A-E, A, AI, AY, EIGH, EI, and EA. Woo! Okay, number 2. Repeat after me. I. Do all the ways that you know for the long I sound. You should have 3. Check them, and then check with me. I-E, I, and Y. Like hi and my. Okay, number 3, another big one. Repeat after me. E. Write all the ways to do long E. There's a lot. This one has 9. You should have your notebook open. I do. Ready? Okay, check that you have all of these. E, E, Y, I, E dash E, EY, EA, IE, EI. Wow. Okay, one more sound. Soul. Write the letters that say soul. Just STLE. All right, nice job. Okay, let's do some review words so that we're not forgetting anything that we learned in the past. Repeat after me. Twinkle. Twinkle. Okay, scoop the syllables and mark them. Twinkle. Check it with me. Closed syllable with a short I, and then we have a consonant LE, and we cross off that E because it's silent. Twinkle. And number 2 for review, let's do funnier. What's the base word? Funny. And then think about what you need to do to change it to funnier. And then underline the base word, circle the suffix. We double that N, and the I sounds like a long E, and suffix is ER, funnier. Okay, let's go down to current words now, the words that we've been working on this week and last week with these vowel teams. So let's start with weather. Tap it. W-e-th-er. I hear short E. Think about what the right option is and look it up if you need to. Weather. Pause until you're ready, and let's go on to number 2. Brownie. Brown E. I hear long E at the end. Think about your options for long E. Brownie. Pause until you're ready, and then I would like you to do turkey. Again, the long E sound at the end. Turkey. And number 4, pear. I like to eat a pear in my fruit salad. So you should have weather, brownie, turkey, pear. Pause until you've looked them up and feel confident, and then you can check with me. Okay, fix up any mistakes. And let's do sound-alike words. Number 1. I hope you don't break your foot. Break. I hope you don't break your foot. And number 2. He led him right into a trap. Led. He led him right into a trap. Break and then led. Check with me. B-R-E-A-K and L-E-D. All right, and we are going to just review 2 trick words. Number 1, answer. And number 2, about. These are words you've learned in earlier grades. We don't really do trick words this year, but we review them just in case you have any tricky ones still. Answer, about. So if either of these were hard for you, it would be a good thing to just jot on a Post-it and keep near your desk or in your writing space to just look at until you feel more confident with it. Okay, and now for our sentence. Repeat after me. The fee for that club is expensive. The fee for that club is expensive. Okay, check that you started with an uppercase and ended with a period. Check that you have some blends, like in club, and you have 3 syllables in expensive. Expensive. Okay, compare it to mine. Let's scoop it and read it now. The fee for that club is expensive. The fee for that club is expensive. What's a fee? Money or cost that you pay. So maybe like a basketball club, you have to pay a fee. Okay, one more sentence and we're done for today. Repeat after me. Take a right turn at the next street. Take a right turn at the next street. Pause until you're done. Okay, if you're back, make sure you have the right, not this kind of right, but the right turn. Check and tap out all your words and that you have an uppercase and a period, and then check it with mine. Take a right turn at the next street. Let's scoop it. Take a right turn at the next street. Fix any